We have the Raptor 58 helicopter. It looks pretty big. I think it'll be fun. And it's lime green, so that's pretty cool. Let's open it up. Here we have it. This looks pretty cool. Has a nice little two-sided thing. This one actually looks pretty cool. We have a really big remote, charger, and wings or rotors. Yeah. Has a gyroscope. It has LED lights. It's metal alloyed, so it's not going to break when you run it into the ground really hard. That's a nice sound. Lights work. There's one over there, and there's one in the back. You should be getting footage of this. There's a nice light in the back. Yeah, it's great. There's a nice one in the front. So this looks pretty cool. I'm excited to fly this and not break it. Alright, let's charge it up and go test it out.